Battlefields are constantly evolving, leading countries around the world to pump hundreds of billions of dollars each year into their armed forces in a race to develop the most advanced training, technology, and weaponry. The military strength of any country could be evaluated numerically, technologically, or both. In this video, let us see the top 10 countries of the world by military strength in 2020. With a defense budget of 19 billion USD, Turkey is the 10th most powerful military in the world. It has 7.35 lakhs of military personnel, which is 0.7% of its total population. Its air force has a total of 1,055 aircrafts, of which 206 are fighter jets, including F-4 Phantom II and F-16 Fighting Falcons. It also has 80 transport aircrafts, 18 special mission aircrafts, and a total of 497 helicopters. With 2,622 tanks and 8,777 armored vehicles, it has 438 rocket projectors and it is one of the strongest land forces in the world. In the sea, it has 12 submarines, 35 patrol ships and 16 frigates. Recently, a new aircraft carrier is also included to its navy. Egypt is the only Middle East country in this list, with a total of 9.2 lakhs military personnel, which is 0.9% of its total population. It is currently the 9th most powerful military in the world. With 1,054 total aircrafts, it has 215 fighter jets, 59 transport planes, and 387 trainer aircrafts. It also has a total of 294 helicopters and 11 special mission aircrafts. In the land, it has 4,295 tanks, 11,700 armored vehicles and 1,084 rocket projectors. The Navy has 2 aircraft carriers and it has 8 submarines and 45 patrol ships. Country has an annual defense budget of 11.2 billion US dollars. It remains to be seen what Brexit means for the future of Britain, but its fighting forces remains one of the world's best. With a total military personnel of just over 2.75 lakhs, England is the 8th strongest country by military strength. The Royal Air Force has a total of 733 aircrafts with 133 fighter planes that includes the most advanced Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II aircrafts. It also has 44 transport, 241 trainer, 24 special mission aircrafts and a total of 312 helicopters. Land forces have a 227 tanks, 5,000 armored vehicles and 35 rocket projectors. Its navy has a total of 88 assets with 2 aircraft carriers, 6 destroyers, 13 frigates, 10 submarines and 22 patrol ships. It is a nuclear country with 150 nuclear warheads. The total estimated defense budget of UK in 2020 is approximately 55.1 billion US dollars. France remains a top-level military power with the internal capability to develop and produce any solutions it requires. France has a total military strength of 4.52 lakhs, which is 0.7% of its total population. Its air force has a total of 1,229 aircrafts, of which 269 are fighter jets, 121 transport aircraft, 187 trainers, 5 special mission aircraft and 589 helicopters. If we see the land forces, it has a total of 528 tanks, 6,028 armored vehicles, 109 self-propelled artillery and 13 rocket projectors. It has a very strong naval force with 4 aircraft carriers, which include the only nuclear aircraft outside the United States Navy. It also has 11 destroyers, 11 frigates and 9 submarines. France is a nuclear state with 290 nuclear warheads. The total annual defense budget of France is 41.5 billion US dollars. South Korea is the 6th largest military power with a total of 36.8 lakhs military personnel, which is an impressive 7.2% of its total population. With 1,649 total aircrafts, it is the 5th largest air power in the world. It has 414 fighters, which includes like of Northrop F-5 supersonic fighter and most advanced lethal Lockheed Martin F-35 fighter jets. It also has 41 transport, 298 trainer and 30 special mission aircrafts. It also contains a total of 803 helicopters. Its land forces also impresses with 2,614 tanks, which features the next generation K2 Black Panther tanks, 14,000 armored vehicles, which includes the K-21 next generation fighting vehicles, 3,040 self-propelled artillery and 575 rocket projectors. South Korea's navy has a total of 234 assets with 2 aircraft carriers, 12 destroyers, 18 frigates, 12 submarines, and 111 patrol ships. The estimated annual defense budget of South Korea in 2020 is $44 billion. Japan is the 5th strongest military power of the world with just over 3.03 lakhs military personnel. The Japanese aircraft has a total of 1,561 aircrafts, which includes 279 fighters, 60 transport aircrafts, 427 trainers, and 637 helicopters. Japan has a total of 152 special mission aircrafts, more than any country in the world other than the USA. It has the little Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II aircrafts and its own made Mitsubishi X2 advanced jets. If you see the land forces, it has a total of 1,004 tanks, 3,130 armored vehicles, 238 self-propelled artillery, and 99 rocket projectors. It has a formidable navy fleet with a total of 155 assets. It has 4 aircraft carriers, 40 number of destroyers, 20 submarines, and 6 patrol ships. Japan is estimated to spend $49 billion on its military in 2020. Mighty Indian military is one of the top 5 powers in the world with a total military personnel of 35.44 lakhs, which is 0.3% of its total population. Its Air Force has a total of 2,128 aircrafts. It has 538 fighter jets, 250 transport planes, 359 trainers, and 722 helicopters. It also has 77 special mission aircrafts. Some of its notable aircrafts are Sukhoi Su-30 fighter jet, Dassault Rafale jets, domestically developed HAL Tejas, etc. Land forces equipped with 4,292 tanks, which includes T-90 battle tanks and Indian-make Arjun tanks. It also has 8,686 armored vehicles, 235 self-propelled artillery, and 266 rocket projectors. Indian Navy has a total of 285 assets with 1 aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya, 10 destroyers, 13 frigates, 18 submarines, and 139 patrol ships. India is also a nuclear state with 150 nuclear warheads. India is estimated to spend $16 billion on its military in 2020. Second only to US and Russia, the Chinese military continues to grow with its 26.93 lakhs total military personnel. It has a total of 3,210 aircrafts, of which 1,232 are fighter jets, 224 transport aircrafts, 314 trainers, and 911 helicopters. It has 111 special mission aircrafts also. Its Air Force is equipped with 5th generation J-20 stealth air fighters, J-15 fighters, and Sukhoi Su-30, etc. One of the largest land forces in the world, China has a total of 3,500 tanks, 33,000 armored vehicles, 3,800 self-propelled artillery, and 2,650 rocket projectors. The Chinese Navy has 2 aircraft carriers, 36 destroyers, and 52 frigates. It also has 74 submarines, which is only second largest after North Korea, and 224 patrol ships. It recently included Type 055 guided missile destroyer to its navy. It also contains 320 nuclear warheads. Chinese has second highest annual defense budget of the world with a staggering $237 billion. Russia is the second strongest military power in the world with 30.1 lakhs military personnel, which is 2.1% of its total population. The second largest air power in the world, Russia has a total of 4,163 aircrafts, of which 873 are fighter jets, 424 transport aircrafts, 497 trainers, and 1,522 helicopters. It also has 127 special mission aircrafts. Some of the most advanced and lethal jets of Russia are Sukhoi Su-57 5th generation stealth fighters, Sukhoi Su-35, Sukhoi Su-30, MiG-35, MiG-29, etc. Russia has the highest number of tanks with a total of 12,950 tanks that includes the likes of T-34, T-90, the deadliest T-95 and the next generation T-14 armored tank. It also has 27,038 armored vehicles, 6,083 self-propelled artillery and 3,860 rocket projectors. Russia has the most nuclear warheads of the world with 6,372 of them. Russian naval forces has 1 aircraft carrier, 16 destroyers, 10 frigates, 62 submarines and 41 patrol ships. The annual defense budget for Russia is around $48 billion. The United States remains at the top spot as the undisputed military power of the world, both numerically and technologically. It has a total of 22.6 lakhs well-trained military personnel, which is 0.7% of its total population. The strongest air force in the world has a total of 13,264 number of aircrafts. It has 2,085 fighter jets, 945 transport aircrafts, 2,643 trainers, and 5,768 helicopters. It also has 742 special mission aircrafts. This unparalleled air attack is equipped with the most advanced and modern aircrafts like Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptors, F-35A Lightning II, F-15 Eagle, B-2 Stealth Bomber, B-52 Bomber, etc. The US Land Force also equipped with 6,289 tanks, which includes the third generation M1 Abrams. It has 39,253 armored vehicles, most by any country. It also has 1,465 self-propelled artillery and 1,366 rocket projectors. The US Navy is the largest navy in the world with a total of 490 assets. It has a total of 20 aircraft carriers, among which 11 are nuclear. It rules the sea with 91 destroyers, and it also has 66 submarines. USA also possesses the second most nuclear warhead of the world with 5,800 of them. The annual defense budget of USA is an unbelievable $750 billion, which is more than the combined defense budget of the rest of the world. With the changing landscape of the world, it will be very interesting to see which will be the top 10 powerful countries in the world in the upcoming years. What do you think? Please comment in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and like and share the video.